Welcome to my thatMuffinART channel. Start with a basic flower or daisy design for your drawing. First, you draw a small circle in the middle of the page. Draw a bigger circle which has some center point with a small circle. Now draw the petals of the flowers using curves. Use the circles as guide. Draw the petals as a revolve around the circle. Draw the petals of the flowers using curves. Use the circles as guide. And now color the whole part inside the circle. This creates an amazing look. Whatever you want to decorate a notebook or create a heartful card, start with a basic flower. Use a sharp pencil on white sketch paper for the best results. After that, you color the border lines. Draw other petals which occupy the space left in the circle. They would not all have to be in the same length. Draw the stems and the leaves by using curves. And inside the stem you color it. Refine the leaves to resemble a real one. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Now you make the stem and the leaves by using curves. This creates an amazing look. Refine the leaves to resemble a real one. Thanks for watching this video.